very rare animal called the Ethiopian Pteromosalot. And today we are going to find it. Follow me. The strange thing about this creature is it lives mainly off these pieces of grass. It's unusual because it's actually a carnivore. The Ethiopian Pteromosalata is almost extinct. We are looking for the last of its kind. We have reason to believe it lives somewhere around here in Guildford. Follow me. Be quite painful. If we look very carefully over there, we can see the animal nesting in the trees. You can recognise it by its very distinctive mating call.
Is that it, Rick?
That's the one.
It's hideous.
It's old Blue Eyes himself. The strangest thing about this creature is it has a remarkable resemblance to E.T.
Yeah, big eyes.
Yeah. Big head. Big brain. And funnily enough, a very large tummy button. Got something to do with all that grass it eats, I think. Of course, I don't know a lot about nature myself, being an expert. Quick, Dave! It's moving! Damn. Usually, if you listen to the ground, you can hear which direction they're going. It's definitely nearby. Oi, no! Hey! Oh no!